Hello everybody. Glasfryn, the shed, has a visitor who always starts his videos off with,
"Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday."
and the layout has been badly neglected because I've been involved with another project all through the summer, constructing a Zen garden, and there's still a lot to do. When I tried running the trains for David, it was embarrassing because the tracks were dirty, the wheels were dirty, and they didn't run properly. So round and round with the Duffel track cleaner, scrape, scrape, scrape with the hand one, cleaning with Track Magic, but there is a lot of track to clean. And I jokingly said to David, I saw a video a while ago where the bloke reckoned just a couple of drops of diesel oil on the track and that kept them clean for ages. And David said,
Any oil.
what, any oil?
Any oil at all. Even dipstick oil will do the job. Have you got any oil here, Michael?
Only this one, David. Will that do?
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Now what do I do with it?
Put it on your track.
Show me how.
All right. Just a few drops. That's all that's needed. Just on the surface of the rail. There we go.
And that's all you do.
That's all you do, and now run the train over it.
And now it all runs nice and smoothly. So thank you, David. You were right. Even over that bit where it was hesitating all the time.